This is the Southside School of Financial Freedom Market Report and Cash Flow Account Update for the week ending March 22nd, 2025. The market finished higher this week. The Dow Jones Industrial Average increased 0.08% on Friday and was up 1.2% for the week. The S&P 500 increased 0.08% on Friday and was up 0.51% for the week. The Nasdaq increased 0.52% on Friday and was up 0.17% for the week. But that doesn't really matter because no matter what the market does, I get cash flow from Bitcoin. Bitcoin was down minus 0.27% this week, but that doesn't really matter either because I get cash flow from Bitcoin no matter what it does. I make cash flow off Bitcoin's volatility, and we know that Bitcoin is volatile. My goal is to generate at least $500 per week in cash flow or income, which is $2,000 per month from selling options on Bitcoin stocks and ETFs. I created a watch list I use to determine which options of Bitcoin stocks and ETFs that I may want to sell. Looking at my watch list from the week, the strongest performer on the list was HUT 8 Corporation, ticker symbol HUT in the first column. It was down minus 0.15% on Friday, but increased 2.22% for the week. HUT 8 Corporation is a vertically integrated energy infrastructure and Bitcoin mining company. HUT 8 acquires, designs, builds, manages, and operates data centers that power compute-intensive workloads, such as Bitcoin mining, high-performance computing, and artificial intelligence. The company operates in four business segments: power generation, digital infrastructure and mining, computing, co-location, and management services. The company offers managed services for energy infrastructure development, such as site design, procurement, and construction management, software automation, process design, personal hiring, and team training. This week, I generated cash flow from selling 6 different option contracts that range from $75.34 to $200.33. I received a total of $654.03 for the 6 option contracts. Here are the sales from my account. Sorry, you can't see exactly what I sold. My cash flow goal for 2025 is $30,000. Yes, that is more than $2,000 per month, but I am sure I will continue to beat my weekly and monthly cash flow goals. With this system, the cash flow money is free and clear. You can take it out of your account and spend it, or leave it in to build your cash balance and or invest it. What do you think I should do with my $654.03 this week? Well, I will probably take it out. This strategy is guaranteed to produce cash flow immediately and every week that it is applied. However, it does not guarantee the amount of cash flow from week to week, nor the value of your account. The amount varies and the account value varies. For example, this week the cash flow amount decreased from the prior week. Here is last week and this week. And my total account value decreased by minus 0.23%. What's the catch? Knowledge. Specifically, you have to understand options. There are many ways to use options. I employ one of the easiest ways, one that guarantees me income every week, especially now that I use Bitcoin. It is very simple But most people will never know because they refuse to read books. Books that you can get from the library for free or buy cheaply online. But people prefer to spend money on lots of courses and watch a lot of videos that really doesn't show you how to do anything. I am not offering to show you how to do what I do unless you know me. I am simply showing you the proof. Check back every week to see how much cash flow or income I generate from week to week and to see whether or not I meet my cash flow goals. And please like, share, and subscribe.